and welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ. And today we are doing this module, that is Connect Data Cloud to Agentforce and Prompt Builder. So we have already covered what is Agentforce, what is Prompt Builder, how we can create prompt templates, different type of prompt templates, and what are their significance. So now we will be accomplishing to connect the data cloud to Agentforce and Prompt Builder. So I'll just start this, and our first unit is get started with data cloud and AI. So you might be seeing the instruction over here to connect your playground and create your playground. So I have already done this. If you have not, please follow the steps mentioned here. It's very easy. You can just click on create playground. It will send you an email to reset the password. You can reset the password, then it will show you the details of the username, and then you can log in with your newly created password by clicking on the connect playground button over here. You can click on it and give the username and password, and then click on allow button and allow again, so it will connect your playground to this unit. So I'll be launching my playground because I have already created it. Then our first unit is get started with data cloud and AI. So it's nothing just to create a playground. So I'll just verify this because I have already done this. And just whenever you are creating the playground and connecting it, do the modules as soon as possible because its expiry is very soon. As you can see, today is the 25th of December. By the way, Merry Christmas to you all. And its expiry is showing as 26th of December. So that's how less time they are giving us on the active playgrounds related to the Einstein. So you need to do it as soon as possible. Now we'll move on to the next unit, that is bring external data into the contact page layout. So here is the contact, and we need to bring the external data to the contact page layout. So what we can do, we need to go to the app launcher and then type data. Then it will show us the data cloud app. Then we can click on data streams tab. So let's follow it side by side. I'll just type in data over here. Then this is the data cloud app. After clicking on it, I can see the data streams tab. I'll just click on it and close this one. Then it is showing me click new and click Salesforce CRM. So we'll be creating new data stream. That is the Salesforce CRM one. Let's see what the next steps are. Then we need to click next and click the AI plus data custom data bundle, and then again click next. And we should notice that the default data space is pre-selected and all the fields included in the bundle are listed, and then we need to deploy it. So I'll just click this and then click on next. You can see all there are other beta apps are available or connectors. I'll just click next. Just wait for a few more seconds. Salesforce org is selected, data bundles, and the standard data bundle, custom data bundle is AI plus data. I'll select this, then click on next again. After clicking on next, it is showing me all the contact fields which are here. So let's see if we need to select all. Okay, so we need to leave the selections as it is, and then we need to click on next again and then click on deploy. So this AI plus data stream bundle will be deployed to our org. Then next we need to go to the identity resolutions tab and create new rule set. So again, let's just wait for it to be deployed. As it's saying hang tight while your data streams are being deployed. We are waiting for it and it's deployed. Now what we will do, we'll go to the identity resolution, then click on new button and select create new rule set, then go to next. And then we need to leave default selected in the data space menu, And for primary DMO, we need to choose individual, and rule set ID should be CCID. Individual, match to data model, okay, and rule set ID is CCID. Then click on next. Then we need to give the rule set name as guest name and email, and description should be reconcile, reserve omatic contact data with Salesforce contact data, and we need to disable run jobs sorry, disable run jobs automatically. Okay, then we shall save it, waiting for it to save, and then again we need to configure it. Okay, so while it's taking some time, okay, we are done. Now we need to click on this configure button, then again click on next, then again click on configure. Then we need to choose fuzzy name and normalized email. Okay, and after it we need to click on next. Then there are quite sophisticated ways. Okay, so individual data model we are using, and fields first name, last name, and email address. So first name will be fuzzy medium precise precision, and last name would be same, and email address would be exact normalized. Okay, so we'll click on next, and if no more changes, then we'll click on save. Okay, so match rule we have created. Then what we need to do, we need to verify if the data is ingested and run an identity resolution rule set. So we need to go to the data streams and refresh the page in our browser. So we'll go to this. So you can see stream type ingest, last run streams is none. So we'll just refresh this. Okay, so it has not run it. So we shall wait for a minute or two. Okay, let's wait for a few more seconds. Not showing the result still. So what we shall do, we should go to the identity resolution. Click on this and click on run rule set. Okay, so our job is already running. It's ran. And then again we'll go to the data streams and we'll refresh this. So it's saying that sometimes it takes more minutes, even up to 15 minutes. So we shall move forward in the meantime. Then we should go to the setup and then object manager and search for contact. Then click data cloud related list and click new. Data cloud related list, and then we should click on new. For data cloud object, we need to choose external reservation, then click next, and enable control by parent permissions as well. So data cloud object, okay, it's external reservation, then next, again same. Child relationship name we need to give reservations. This option we did not get. Okay, Then we can click on next, and this will be saved. Okay, great. Now we can go to the lightning record pages, then contact record pages, and drag a dynamic related list single into the related tab. Okay, and under related tab we need to choose reservation. So okay, I'll go to the lightning record pages, contact record pages, click on edit. We are on the related tab. I'll search for dynamic related list single. We can drag it above just opportunities, and instead of assets we will search for reservations, and let's see if they are asking for any other changes. Under related list field we need to add fields and check-in date, and done. Check-in date, checkout date, room type, reservation status. Okay, this one we can remove. Check-in date, checkout date, room type, and the last one was reservation status. Okay. And we need to add filter as well. Filter of, that is, the check-in date should not be equals to empty. Okay, so check-in date should be filled always, not equals to, and this should be left empty. Save. Okay, great. uh, then we need to go to the identity resolution tab and click the guest name and refresh our browser. If the status is succeeded, then we need to go to the sales app contact list view of all contacts, and we need to search for Sofia Rodriguez and check. Okay, let's go back. Go to the sales app, search for, okay, we need to search for identity resolutions. This, it's succeeded, so we'll go to the contact. We'll create a new list view. Okay, we'll open it from here. Sophia. Sophia should have three reservation now appearing right side of the contact page layout. So here only it will appear. So it's not there, and let's check for our this data streams as well. So that has also not ran. Let's verify the challenge. I don't think it will be completed, but let's check. So it's completed. I guess it's taking some time for this and this result to be appear, but we can move forward. That's great. Then we have next module or unit as enhance agent force to act on data with the conversational language. We can finish a flow to log guest events, and we can create a check-in agent force action as well. So we need to perform all these steps. Let's do this. Okay, so here it is. We need to go to the setup and then flow, create check-in guest event, and click the unified link one element. then click edit element. Okay, we'll just go to the setup, search for flow, sorry, create check-in guest event, unified link 1, edit element. In this, we need to choose data source as data cloud object and data space as default. And object would be unified link individual CCID. Okay. Then in the filter section, we need to have source record ID, and for value, we need to have variable contact record ID. Okay. Then we can save it, and we need to add it the unified link to as well. Let's click on this. Here we need to send the unified link individual CCID, and the unified record ID should be equals to this. So okay. We will just copy paste this, so to avoid any mistake. Then again we'll save this, and we need to add conditions as well. For field this, it should be starts with external. Okay. Then we can go to the reservation one and element, external reservation, and field should be contact ID. Okay, let's go to this reservation one. Sort order should be descending, and sort by should be check in date. Save this. Then what else needs to be changed in the event summary? We need to copy paste the following value. Okay. Now we need to save this and activate it. The flow is activated. We need to go to the setup and check if the instant feature is enabled. It's enabled for me, and need to check the sales feature as well. So I'll just search for, let's check both the features, that is Einstein setup. Okay, so it's not enabled. Thankfully, I checked. Then Einstein for sales, turn on sales email as well. In the agent, we need to enable Einstein Copilot as well. We need to refresh this after enabling Einstein agent. Okay, we need to enable this. Then we need to create new agent action. for flow, and reference action should be this. Okay, so we'll go here again, search, refresh this, search for agent action is appearing. Click on new agent action, reference should be flow, then create check-in, guest event. Then we have to input, require input and output, it's showing conversation, then we can click on finish. Then again we need to go to the agent, and this we need to open in builder. We need to select the migration default topic. In topic section we need to add the action and activate it. We have activated it. Now we need to go to home and check out this feature. Well, okay. This is appearing. Now we need to type, tell me about the Sophia Rodriguez contact. Let's send it. It's analyzing our request. Okay, it has given us the details. Now we need to check in because we have created an action for this check in Sophia Rodriguez. She has been checked in. Okay, so it is asking us for more details. Okay, so we can go to the contact of Sophie. Yeah, we can close this. The guest event should be created. We can check this out, and here it is. Details. Okay, so we'll verify this. In our last video, we have done the Superbadge. In that also, we have created an agent action. In the similar manner. Okay, so it looks like the event summary flow element does not have the correct value, field value. Got it. We'll go to the flow once again. Okay, so this is, we'll activate this. I had removed this check-in date of earlier. I thought it's wrong, but let's verify the challenge again. So we are done with this unit. Now the last unit, that is add data to a prompt template to quickly draft emails. So we'll create a new prompt template. Just open, we'll just open the setup, then search for prompt, go to the prompt builder, then click on new prompt template and check out for the fields. It should be sales email and check in welcome should be the name. Template description is check in welcome email, and related object is guest event, and object field is okay. So I have not changed this, that's why contact, then it's guest event. Now for this we'll just copy this and paste it out here. You can see they have already configured this for us in this one. Then we can just save it and activate it. It is activated. Now we need to just test our work, so we can go to the contact of Sophia once again. So let's just search for contact, then click on Sophia, then here's the mail, draft with Einstein, check in welcome, select the guest event, and mail is configured. We can just click on done and send. So that's done, and we can just verify its step. So yeah, that's how we are done with Connect Data Cloud to Agentforce and Prompt Builder. So the only things which were different in this by connecting Data Cloud is earlier in the first unit only we had import the data using Data Cloud. So that's the different part. Otherwise, the flow connecting, sales email, and everything else, the conversational agent action, we have already built all of this in our Superbadge and other units as well. So I hope you like it, and if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comment section what's your opinion and what other modules, units, Superbadges, or Salesforce related topic you want me to cover. And thank you, stay tuned.